Pest is one of the problem we have in garden. You can see our jute melon being eaten by fleas beetle, but there is always hack solution to solve this problem. And last week we used ash. It's ash again. So today video we are going to talk about how you can do a simple hack that will kill pests that is destroying our damage that fleas beetle has infected on our jute melon. And we know that definitely they will surely come, but it's not that they are coming to our garden that is the problem, but how to prevent them or stop them. That is why we are here today. You can see we are going to use ash, a simple hack that can prevent them from invading our garden, eating the leaf of our vegetable. So now we are going to demonstrate how is it going to work. You can see it's very painful. After you labor, you work, and you have watered, you have used a lot of things. Here we use compost tea, compost direct, we use onion peel fertilizer, ash. Still we have problem with pests, so we are going to control the pests. So kill pests in a very simple hack. As the garden is small, we are going to use ash. It's not difficult. We are going to sprinkle ash on top of those vegetables. Those pests, they eat ash. They don't want to see ash. This is just like repelling them. They will never want to come near where there is ash. So that is a simple hack to save our vegetable from being completely wiped off by this flea beetles that want to kill our vegetable. See, just a simple hack. Just put ash on the board. Your applying ash should not be too much, because you know what ash do. Ash increase pH, soil pH, which is not good for the soil. So little application of ash can help our vegetable, save our vegetable from. How do you think this will work? It will work because ash contains chemicals that these fleas beetle and other pests like aphid, they don't want to even come closer to. You just like repair them, but that is not the ultimate solution. The ultimate solution is neem oil. That is, if you have neem leaf or neem oil, you can use neem oil. Neem oil is more effective than ash. Just sprinkle the oil on the affected part, and pests will say bye bye to you. Or you can use pesticides. You can use chemicals. But on this our channel, we encourage simple hack, natural way of solving problem. If you enjoy this simple hack on using wood ash to deter pests, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification. By next week we are going to come back here to see if this thing actually work, if the ash work, and I know it's going to work, because as it is, they can never come closer to it, because you can even add more. You can add more on top, so that all those unaffected ones will not come here watching. See you in the next video. Bye.